good evening, depending the time and the country you're watching from. It's Akaliche. Please go to YouTube, search it's Akaliche, you'll find me there. Like, share, subscribe, watch my videos, and be so grateful. Thank you so much for those who have already subscribed. May God bless you abundantly. And my new subscribers, please subscribe, watch my videos, and welcome home. So today's video is a short video. I want us to unpack something. So you're welcome. I had finished my spices. Some of my spices were finished, so I went to restock them. So I want you to unpack with me. And before that, so let me show you what we are going to unpack. Let me show you. So we are going to unpack this. You see this? We're going to unpack that, plus this, plus this. I'm going to unpack those. Those are things that we are going to unpack with you. And this is little shopping for the things that I had not, things that had finished. And this is new microwave. I have a story to tell about this. Before that, I'm going to show you this. You see that microwave there? Huh? I had to do something about it. I have been not having a microwave for 2 months. I think now 2 months. Reason because, I don't know if you can see at that corner there. You see there? Yeah. This mabati, this iron or whatever it is broken. It has a hole. So when you use it, it sparks. The sparks comes out, which is too dangerous, especially for the kids, because my kids know how to operate it, and I'm afraid when I'm not around they can use it and then it can cause problems. So I had to replace it, but it's still good. The engine, whatever inside is still good. It's just the body. So I had to replace it, and someone is coming to take it. Someone's coming to take it, plus this. See this fridge here? This and this. Someone's coming to take them. So for the microwave, it has served me long enough. My people, that microwave has served me long enough, because I bought it when my second born was like 4 days. Yeah, bought it because my second born, when she was 4 days old. Reason why, for my kids, I don't have enough milk. I normally put them on something after just some days. After some days, I have to do something about them, because me as myself, I don't have enough milk. So we bought this because of my baby girl, who is Shania, and now she's almost 15. So you can imagine why I decided to replace that microwave. Now she is almost 15, which means that microwave is 15 years old. It has served me good 15 years old. And the brand is Westpool. I bought it when Tuskys was Tuskys. I think all of you remember the Tuskys supermarket. It's where I bought the microwave. So I had to replace it with this. This is Samsung. And we are going to unpack it with you. And I'm going to tell you the reason why I am from Westpool to Samsung. I'm going to give you a very good reason. So this one, I have sold it to second-hand person. I don't know what he's going to do with it, but he's supposed to come and pick it. So let us unpack, my people, and see what I have here. So you're welcome. Please go to YouTube, search it's Akaliche. Please go to YouTube, search it's Akaliche. You'll find me there. Like, share, subscribe, watch my videos, and I'll be so grateful. So another thing is that I'm almost 4,000 watching hours. Can you imagine that? So people, you're watching my videos and you're not subscribing, you're not liking, you're not sharing. So please consider subscribe as you watch. Please consider subscribing, and I'll be so grateful. So let us do this. Let us unpack this and see what we have here. Let's unpack it and see what we have. So I'm going to take it one by one and put it there. To start with this. This is, I think it's called Microwave. This is the warranty for that Samsung Microwave. This is the warranty. The warranty is 10 years warranty. They had bought it from Naivas. So here, this is my spices. And there's something I'm going to tell you. One of these spices, how it helped me 3 days back. Yeah, one of these I'm going to explain to you. So this is my spices, and I think you know what is this. This is a microwave cover. When you put your food in the microwave, you know they say that the waves, is it called waves? Inside the microwave, or that heat inside the microwave, when it goes inside your food, it is not good. But for us, we leave everything to God, because there are some people who say that you're not supposed to eat fridge food, microwave food, wood food, oven food. But we leave everything to God to decide. So this is microwave cover. You put your food on the plate. Let us assume there's food here, and then you cover with this. Put it inside your microwave, and then you cover with this. Yeah, you do this. Put your food, cover with this. So I had bought this for that reason. So I have that. I need a knife to cut this. So before I unpack the microwave, I'm going to unpack this. This is steel. This is for Sokoni steel. I normally like this or love this because they soak in soap quickly than the other brands. They soak in soap quickly than the other brands. So I love Sokoni steel so much. And here I have some queen cake from early people. My son, especially my son, loves this. And some snacks for them. As for me, there's some things I don't buy in the supermarket. I normally go to wholesale places and then take them in a bag, because it's more cheaper than buying one in the supermarket. So this is just snack. This snack for my babies. They love glucose, especially in the weekend when they run around, they ride bikes, and then they come back. Mommy, I need glucose. Mommy, I need water. So I have to restock this for them. And this is just normal wafer. This is wafer. Yeah, vanilla cream wafer, and this is banana cream wafer. All the snacks there for them. and sweets, especially for weekends, riding bike, or if you want them to do something for you, you have to bribe them. Imagine, you have to bribe your own kids to do something for you. So when you promise, Chinese do something and then I'll give you sweets, that's something. 5 minutes, they're done. Mommy, I need my promise, so I have to have this in the house. Sorry for the noise. That's snacks for them. Plus this snack. And this I bought them in wholesale. Yeah, this ones. And this, as I told you, my spices were over. So I have this, you see. If I decide to buy one, it's more expensive. So I just go and buy them in a wholesale. Because this is, I think this is the 85 bob. This is 85 and this is 105. 105 or 108, something like that. And this is for breakfast. Banana. For those people who love Weetabix, please try banana. Try banana till tell me. This one you can use it without milk. This one you can use it without milk. This banana. This is banana. You can use it without milk. So for my son, even myself, I normally sometimes take this in the morning. I'm not sugar person nowadays. Bread, when it comes to bread, queen cakes, I don't like it. So I rather take this or my own mandazi that I have cooked myself, or chapati or groundnuts, because I normally have groundnuts in my house, or sim with tea. I don't like this. I don't like it. I can take it, but I don't like it that much. This is what? Baraka chai. These are just normal tea bags. I love to have 2 bags in my house, and this is my favorite salt. I normally use this. If you have watched my videos, you can say that that's the truth. I normally love this salt. It is herbal. It has herbal inside. It is a herbal salt. I love this, or the pink one. The pink one, I normally cook with this, but when it comes to the table salt, you see that salt that people love to add in cooked food. This is pink. This is pink salt. I'd already put in these jars. But this is pink salt when my food is ready. But when I cook food, I normally use this. And I also use normal salt. Yeah, I also use normal salt. But I use this much more than the normal salt. But I just have normal salt in the house just for emergency. And then you have this. You have this and this. These are cubes. According to some years back, I was very acidic. Acid was disturbing me that much. I have to go to hospital now and then. So there's a day I went to see a doctor, and the doctor told me that I have to stop eating spices. And this is some of the spices doctor named. This. But I can't take food without this. Baby, I can't take food without this. You see this? The other spices I can leave it, but this, I can't. I can't take food without this. To be honest, I can't. So I had this too, and then I had this. My baby love tomato sauce. Hey, exact Chantel. But Shania, Shannon, and Shanice, these, they love it so much. And then I have this. This is not alcohol. I have this. This is soy sauce, not soy sauce light. I want to try this because I didn't find my mushroom mushroom one. So I want to try this. This is Santa Maria Superior soy sauce light. So I want to try this and see how it tastes. And then I have this. This is gravy brownie. Yeah, this is gravy brownie, and this is brown vinegar. Hey, I can't take any meat without this. Yes. This one is good in your food. Brown vinegar substitute. It's good in your food. The other clear one is for cleaning because it has some smell. It has some smell, weird smell for me. But in my food, I normally use this. This is brown vinegar. And this is gravy brownie. This, they work like same. They do same work. But this has a taste, yeah, you can feel it. But this, I feel, is all about color. This one's all about color. This you can feel, yeah, you can feel the taste. This soy sauce. So we have that. And then we have this. This rumors there is a seed called money box around, so I have to buy this. This one in my corridor there between the bedrooms. I have a corridor and it has a sink, so I put one, and the other one I put here in the kitchen. And then for my table, this one's for multi-purpose glass cleaner. This one you can wipe it top of your counters. My glass table, I use this. And let me tell you something about this. You see this Magni bathroom cleaner and bacteria action germ killer. This thing do amazing job. I'm not paid, but this, it does amazing job. You see this? And it has a very strong, scent, very strong. But in the bathroom, this thing, it does amazing job. And I'm a happy person, but I want to try this. But I'm a happy person. Have this and this freshener. This is a blue automatic toilet bowl cleaner and air freshener. This and this for the toilet. And for spices, I also added this beef masala and oregano. I can't take my food without oregano. I prefer this than, I think it's called bay leaf. Yeah, that leaf. I prefer this than bay leaf. So I also added beef masala. This is beef masala. And this is kitchen towel clean. And I added my jars, especially the big ones. I had to add them. Added like three of them. Added 3 of them. These things are very cheap where I buy them. They are very cheap. This is 85 bob. And it is almost 1 liter. I think it is 1 liter. I think this is 1 liter. I think it is 1 liter jar. They are very cheap. It's 85 bob. So I added 3. And then I had to take this because my spatulas, they are not good in good conditions. Their condition is not good. I had to buy another set of those, but I saw this, it looks cute, and I decided to take it. Just a normal spatula. And then we have something here again. And then we have this normal serviette. And then this is measuring jar. So a measuring jar, I had one, but Shania broke it. So I had to have another one because I can't, when you are doing vlogs that I do, the cooking vlogs, you have to have measuring jar or something to measure anything that you're cooking, anything you want to measure. So I have to take this. Then for snacks, this another snacks for my babies. So we are done. We are done with the shopping. So there's everything. Everything is here. These are my jars. This is microwave cover. I think it has a name, but for now, let's call it microwave cover. There's my little shopping that I went for. It's my little shopping that I went for. There it is. So about the shopping, I'm done. I'm done. That's everything that I went and buy. So I'm done about that. So let us unbox the microwave. It looks. See, this is how it looks. This is the plate. This is the rotating ring. Okay. So let me put it up here and see. There I have it. Here we have the menu. This is the box. So the box is big, very big. Warranty. Has so many books. What? How to read all of this? Light source of energy, efficiency class G. So I'll read this later. So here we have our microwave. So let me tell you something, my people. In my kitchen or in my house, I love white. Oh my God. I love white. Hey? White is my color. White. I love white. So when I saw this, because when I want to buy something, I normally investigate, I normally read on YouTube, I normally do what, I normally ask around, I do. So I went and started to research about this. There's no supermarket in town that I've not entered today. So, but the person that I gave the old one is a fundi. So he told me to avoid such thing again, to happen again, because that microwave is still working, still in a good condition. The only problem with it is that hole inside and the sparks, because when you light it, it has sparks. Because this microwave, it's good, very good. Yeah? The only problem is that hole there. So my friend told me that To avoid such mistake, go for Samsung. The reason why for the Samsung, you see this mabati here. It is so easy for this mabati to have a hole. This, it can melt. Yeah, that's what the fundi told me. This mabati, it takes time, but most problem with this, it melts or broke the way mine has done it. So he told me, go and search for Samsung, and if you search for Samsung, ask them for what we call ceramic. Ceramic is this. You see this mabati here? You see this mabati here inside your oven. There's no oven that doesn't have ceramic. It's this mabati. This mabati is called ceramic. This is ceramic. So my fundi told me, go for ceramic microwaves. And he told me, he alerted me, they are quite expensive, but if you can afford, go for that. And I asked him which brand. He told me the most brand, people who make ceramic microwaves are Samsung. My people, it's not, I'm not paid, I'm just doing it. So I went to Naivas and saw this. Before taking it, I started my research. I went to electronics shops, I went to other supermarkets, but that thing in my mind, I have to go for Samsung. So I went for this, and it is quite big than that one. They told me how many liters. Oh my God, I've forgotten. But it's quite big than that one. So I went for this. You push here, like that, and your door is open. So this is what we call ceramic. Ceramic, it has two colors. It has two colors. And for Samsung, they normally make their microwaves using ceramic. So this one, you put it here. Just put it at the center. And then you put your plate. Put your plate there. You balance it. Have to balance it. Like that. You see? Like that. Just balance it like that. So I went for that. So here it has this. It has defrost. It has that. It has timer, and good about this, it has a bell. When you set it and it is done, it has a bell. It will alert you that it's done. How fresh vegetables, soup here, drinks here. This is the timer. This is the temperature. The amount of temperature. And here's the timer. This is the type of things that you have put in. This is fresh vegetable, soup here, drinks here, like that. So I decided to go for that. So I'll try it and tell you about it later. And about white, I love white. Hey, my people, I love white. I love white. So you can see it is white in color. My cooker is white in color. My old fridge is white in color. Like a small fridge is almost white there, but it is on the market, on the sale. If you want it, please DM me. This small one. If you want it, DM me, please. But you can see it's almost color white. This one is white. I count shelves here. I decided why to go for white. My cooker is white, and this one is white. So I love white. About the house, I told the owner to paint it white for me, but he gave me another scenario that I don't understand. So the cabinets, remember, they were cream. I changed them into white. You can see there, I love white. very, very much in love with white. So it is my people. Here we have a microwave now. It is 2 months without a microwave, and it's very, very hectic. Very hectic. Very. You alone for those people say that you're supposed not to eat microwave food, fridge food, oven food, air fryer food. Leave alone that. It's very hectic. Yeah? Very, very hectic. There is our shopping. There is our small shopping. So that's what I went for there. That's it, my people. There is our shopping there. Microwave, covering tea, measuring jar, containers, my jars, I have to add them. We have spices there, cake for my babies, Weetabix for their breakfast before school. Here's my spice, some what? Snacks for them, especially in the weekend. On the weekend, you get this, and then you have
So my people, this is the following day. We are going also to unbox this. This is a new mix dispenser. I had the normal one, but it broke. The one that you have to put water bottle on top, but it broke. So I went for this. They have been trending in Kenya for a while now. So I decided also to have this. And I have a friend in town who has this, who sells this. Plus anything that you want in your kitchen, you also have that. So I'm going to show you the shop, and the shop is near Wakaguku. If you live in Nakuru, you know Wakaguku shop, the shop that sells utensils. His shop also is almost near there, or near Stage Mattress. That Stage Mattress is near petrol station. That shop is almost near there. There's a corridor there, you enter and then you'll reach at the shop. So let us unpack this with you, my people, and see what follows. As you can see there, the fridge has already gone, the big fridge has already gone, and the other old microwave has already
you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip a switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
So visit the place and you'll be so happy.
See you in the next video. Let me put everything where it's supposed to be, and then I clean my kitchen, and then I think I'll be done. So thank you so much for watching. God bless you. May you be good wherever you are. Thank you so much. And please tell a friend to tell a friend. I'm only less 300 hours. Imagine only 300 hours to 4,000 watching hours without subscribers, please, people. Can you subscribe, please? Please, 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 please. Love you so much and bye-bye. Bye. See you in the next video. Love you.